This is my homework. Does Jen buy new car? Does Robin buy new car? Does John buy new car? Does Thomas buy a new car? Does Anna buy a new car? Does Jen buy a new car? Does James buy a new car? Does Mark buy a new car? Does Sophia buy a new car? Does Mark buy a new car? Does Melinda buy a new car? Does Nick buy a new car? Does Jenny buy a new car? Does Jennifer buy a new car? Does Lucas buy a new car? Does Kenny buy a new car? Does Anthony buy a new car? Does Michael buy a new car? Does O'Leary buy a new car? Number 2. Does Carlos see a new car? Does Carlos watch a new car? Does Carlos saw a new car? Does Carlos like a new car? Does Carlos take a new car? Does Carlos make a new car? Does Carlos lose a new car? Does Carlos give a new car? Does Carlos borrow a new car? Does Carlos repent a new car? Does Carlos bend a new car? Does Carlos bring a new car? Does Carlos kiss a new car? Does Carlos kick a new car? Does Carlos sit a new car? Number 3. Does Carlos buy one car? Does Carlos buy one new car? Does Carlos buy 2 new cars? Does Carlos buy 3 new cars? Does Carlos buy 6 new cars? Does Carlos buy 5 new cars? Does Carlos buy 7 new cars? Does Carlos buy 11 new cars? Does Carlos buy 10 new cars? Does Carlos buy 11 new cars? Does Carlos buy 12 new cars? Does Carlos buy 20 new cars? Does Carlos buy 15 new cars? Does Carlos buy 50 new cars? Does Carlos buy 60 new cars? Does Carlos buy 70 new cars? Does Carlos buy 100 new cars? Does Carlos buy 22 new cars? Number 4. Does Carlos buy a new book? Does Carlos buy a new notebook? Does Carlos buy a new pen? Does Carlos buy a new watch? Does Carlos buy a new cake? Does Carlos buy a new bike? Does Carlos buy a new motorbike? Does Carlos buy a new motorphone? Does Carlos buy a new house? Does Carlos buy a new dog? Does Carlos buy a new cat? Does Carlos buy a new burger? Does Carlos buy a new pizza? Does Carlos buy a new table? Does Carlos buy a new market? Does Carlos buy a new chair? Does Carlos buy a new table? Does Carlos buy a new bag? Does Carlos buy a new bed? Number 5. Is it a big blue fast car? Is it a small blue fast car? Is it a ugly blue fast car? Is it a nice blue fast car? Is it a pretty blue fast car? Is it a beautiful blue fast car? Is it a thin blue fast car? Is it a long blue fast car? Is it a short blue fast car? Is it a Number 6. Is it a huge yellow fast car? Is it a huge white fast car? Is it a pink fast car? Is it a huge green fast car? Is it a huge red fast car? Is it a huge black fast car? Is it a huge brown fast car? Number 7. Is it a huge blue slow car? Is it a huge blue quick car? Is it a huge blue speed car? Is it a huge blue big car? Is it a huge blue small car? Is it a huge small car? Is it a huge blue bratty car? Is it a huge blue teen car? Is it a huge blue short car? Number 8. Is it a huge blue fast bike? Is it a huge blue fast motorbike? Is it a huge blue fast quatch? Is it a huge blue fast book? Is it a huge blue fast cat? Is it a huge blue fast motorbike? Thank you.